Replacement bassinet sheet. Fits any Fisher-Price Stow and Go or Soothing Motions bassinets, bassinet sold separately. Cozy, soft, and machine washable. Quick, easy to change, no tools required. Keeps your baby comfy all nap time or nighttime long. Top reviews from the United States. Simple but effective. These are a thin, basic cover, just like the original, but without the pattern. And it saved so much time and energy. These covers saved a lot of midnight sink washings when our little one was peeing through all his diapers and soaking the bassinet. I ended up buying 3 spares and it was barely enough to make it through the night, but so worth it.